Okay, it is time to step outside of your assumptions. Let's discuss what it takes to break through the following 3 paralyzing assumptions. The first assumption is that you can do it all alone. The second assumption is branding authority websites don't apply to me. And the third assumption is that social media branding doesn't apply to me either. You can do it all alone. Boy, have I learned the hard way. Test drive your website by getting free leads. How can you test drive your website? Clue. Think Hot Laps and brand you. You are the product. When a race car is driven at or near its limit without actually competing for a position, it is called hot lapping. It is very important that your virtual team supports you as you run your hot laps to see what your branding campaign can handle. You need to feel comfortable as your branding campaigns gain you online authority. Then you will understand the performance capabilities under the hood. Promote on Facebook and monitor the comments. Interact with your fans. Sign autographs. How to get attraction from branding you? First of all, admit that you can't do it all and that you need help. Say, I've tried to make money online, but I'm getting nowhere very fast. So as a driver, I challenge you to take charge of your virtual vehicle and get on the right track. It is most important to brand you. The most important thing in branding you is number 1, your mindset. Just think of leaders from the past or present that you admire and apply their leadership skills to your online business. Build yourself up. And when someone leaves a question in your comment section, respond via a YouTube video and send them the link. Be sure to mention their name because it will be music to their ears. Do you know why some online marketers believe that a branding authority website is useless? Common thing I hear is, well, it takes too long to make money off of a website. Well, my friend, I can say that organic traffic is priceless. So doing the proper link building, search engine optimization, and creating an authority site map will get you where you want a lot faster than other alternatives. So just run full throttle with your free 1,000 leads that you'll get from the trial and your web design optimization. Are you ready to get turbocharged? Plan for the future. Know your competition. Stay current. Renew your license. In order to play with the big boys, you gotta run like the big boys. You gotta drive like the big boys. So I suggest that you partner up with a service. You gain yourself a hot pit that is going to build you up and make sure you perform at your peak level.